science investigation that you can do using very simple materials and resources that you can find at home. Again, this experiment has come from the Crest Star Investigators Home Learning Resources. We'll put the link in the video. So what's the challenge? Well, can you design a rocket that can travel the furthest? Who can design the best rocket? Building a real rocket is actually quite hard work, but at home we can investigate what shapes make the best rocket. So first of all, you need a piece of A4 paper, which you're going to fold in half and fold in half again, so that you have got 4 quarters like that. Then you're going to cut them up into strips and have 4 strips. You can make lots and lots of these, so you can make more than 4 rockets, and you can challenge your family members to a bit of a race to see who can make the best one. So once you've got your strips of paper like this, what you're going to do is take a pencil and you're going to roll the paper around the pencil and then secure in place with 3 strips of tape, like so. Once you've done that, you can slide out the pencil and you'll be left with a tube which will stay in place. You can test this out. Pop a straw, I've got a plastic straw here, pop a straw into the rocket and you can blow it to see how far it goes. If it doesn't work particularly well, you might find you want to crease over the end, fold it over and stick it down so you have made a seal at the end where the air can't get through. Then you can test it. Much better design. So that's the making bit over. So we've got the challenge, we've done the making, how about the testing? So we want to see how you can improve the flight and who can make the best rocket from the first basic design. Do longer or shorter rockets work the best? Do fins added to the rocket improve its stability as it moves through the air? If you put fins on, where would you put them? Towards the top end of the rocket, towards the bottom? How many would you include? So I've made one here. I've put paper fins on mine, but you could try other things like using material and fabric or cardboard or tin foil. How about making a nose cone for your rocket? Can you make a cone for it? Does that help it go further, or does it weigh it down and not make it fly as well? You could try making them out of card, but make sure they're the same size instead of using paper. Does that make any difference? Or what if you use tin foil? Does that change how the rocket flies? You could try putting a weight on the bottom as well. So you can take your rocket and you can either put some blue tack or some Play-Doh around the bottom or the middle or down the sides, or you can try adding some paper clips along the bottom. So you can just slide some paper clips and see if adding a weight makes a difference. What happens with 1 paper clip, 2 paper clips, 3 paper clips, and so on. So you can decorate them too. Then it comes to rating them. So you need to test each of the rockets 3 times each from the same start point with the same amount of energy each time when you blow them with the straw. So whose rocket wins? How far does it go? Can you share what you've learned with your teacher or with other children from your school?